UM-Dearborn has prepared me for life after graduation in a lot of ways. I feel that here I have developed intellectually and socially and professionally. In the classroom, I've learned an awful lot from my professors. Socially, I've gotten very involved on campus, met a lot of great people. Professionally, I've had 2 internships and a co-op through UM-Dearborn, and those positions have really taught me a lot about my future career.
There's so much going on in this small campus. The activities are unbelievable. The student organizations are very active.
Once I visited UM-Dearborn, I felt really comfortable, felt like it was the perfect place for me to attend.
I joined the lacrosse team, and I joined a fraternity. I joined student government, student activities board, and then it all went from there.
It's so easy to get involved here with an organization. Everyone is really open and willing to take you in.
It's a great campus, great community. I love it. I would really recommend it. You'll make a lot of friends, and you'll really get a good education.
When you think about the University of Michigan, in all of its campuses, Dearborn, Flint, Ann Arbor, the thing you most immediately think about is academic quality and rigor.
The other university that I had in mind was the Ann Arbor campus. The major reason why I decided to go to the Dearborn campus is because of diversity, and it's because of the small class sizes.
I like the fact that it's really small. Our class sizes, range from 15 to 50, and it feels better. It feels better, and you feel like you can ask anything you want.
You know, a lot of professors give out their personal cell phone numbers, they give out additional contact emails, and just knowing that a professor is always going to be there to help you is probably one of the biggest advantages here at UM-Dearborn.
It's the quality and commitment of the faculty that really make the difference. UM-Dearborn has been so fortunate from the very beginning to have a faculty which has both of those qualities, both very excellent and very committed.
A lot of the faculty, the instructors, they have real-world work experience. You know, they've been in industry, and I worked in marketing for Ford before teaching. I think it helps when you bring that to the classroom. What I do now with my undergrads is I want to make sure that they are competitive when they graduate.
Often I have businesses or nonprofits come into the classroom, and we'll work with them very closely on projects. We worked, for example, helping Ford with the launch of the Ford Focus.
My students have given presentations at national meetings of the American Astronomical Society, the American Physical Society. As I say, we've been fortunate to publish in some of the top journals in astrophysics.
We are really a metropolitan university. The School of Education epitomizes that. We are constantly putting our students out into the field, into the schools, and are making a huge impact on the kinds of education Michigan children are getting.
We're doing work on warm forming of aluminum. They're looking at the material formability, and they can apply this knowledge wherever they go, whether they're doing automotive applications, aerospace, medical, pharmaceutical. They just have to use a different material, do similar kinds of tests. What they learned in the classroom here or through their projects, they can apply in other settings.
The reason why I chose to attend UM-Dearborn is because of the Michigan degree. I know that when I graduate, I'll have that excellent degree to help get me the job that I need.
The power of the University of Michigan degree is actually very strong. I also felt when I applied to Harvard Business School that having that Michigan background was really a positive, because they know that students that come from University of Michigan have been through a really stable program of courses, and that they can rely on the training that we've had.
Our students and our faculty are working on projects for industry all around Michigan. We do projects with Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, their suppliers, Henry Ford, Health System, Oakwood Health, companies like FedEx and UPS. These are some examples of the companies our students work with.
We have the idea that a university is a tremendous social asset. It is almost a social responsibility on our part to do everything we can to see that the resources of our campus, the faculty, our students, the great energy that our students have for civic engagement and community service, to see that those forms of resource and energy and power are brought into engagement with some of the most serious problems that we face here in Southeast Michigan.
Now I'm an advocate for change. Coming to the University of Michigan-Dearborn is given me so much passion to help others, seeing where I came from and where others can go.
These are students that, if we have to put the future of our country into somebody's hands, I'd be very comfortable putting it into their hands.